again. In today's video, we'll be teaching you how I silk press my hair. Basically, I'll be teaching you how I'm going to silk press this curly hair into silky bun straight hair look. I am going out and I need to have a silk press, but this is raw hair, and with raw hair it's not been chemically processed or anything like that. It is natural, so yes, you can silk press it, and yes, once you silk press it you can have it back into its curly texture once water touches it. And this hair was the Lowasian curly hair 7x7" wig I made a video about, and I will be silk pressing this hair for you to see the look. I'm going for a sort of blonde bob look, and if you also want to know how I basically dye this hair, check my YouTube channel and check the description box down below. I have a video on it too. So viewers, stay tuned for how to basically silk press your curly hair into a sleek blonde bob wig look. So stay tuned, and do not forget this hair is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique as well. I have a coupon code which is my name as well 20 for 20% off your entire purchase. Stay tuned.